First thing we want to do is bring up terminal. Alright, sudo su, and of course enter your password. Then we'll change directories to our olive folder that we created on our desktop, and then create the file. This will take a few moments to write the file. Good. Now we've created the file. Go ahead and we'll change ownership of the file now, and then we'll start up our QEMU instance and install FreeBSD on the file we just created. So go to the website and just copy and paste the whole command line there. And then that'll bring up our QEMU instance, and we'll start the FreeBSD installation. I think there's 54 some odd steps. Anyway, give it a second and it'll boot up. Now, first thing we want to do is skip the kernel configuration. And then we'll use a standard install. Choose OK. Then we're going to use the entire disk. That's A. And then we will go ahead and queue to finish. And then we'll pick standard install, no boot manager. Hit OK, and then we'll start creating our slices. So just hit C, backspacer up, and 2000 meg will be our first slice for our root. That's a file system / OK for the mount point. Now create another one, C, backspace it up, and that's going to be our swap system, our swap file. So it's 1024 meg, pick swap, hit OK. Create the next slice, hit C, this one will be 100 meg for our config. Oh, I messed that up. It's /config, so let's do that again. Hit C, type in 100 meg, choose file system, and then put /config. That would probably help. As you notice, nothing created up there, so hit OK. And the important thing when you create these files, if you follow these instructions, everything should come out fine anyway. Right here, pick the default, choose file system, and make this our var directory, /var, yes. The important thing is you have A, B, E, and F, and A is your roots, B is your swap, E is your config, and F is your var. As you can see, that's good. Alright, so exit from there and then choose DVD here. And are you sure that's your last chance? Yes. And then it will start the install. I'm going to pause the video here in a minute. This takes, I can't remember, it takes a few minutes, so I'll pause the video here. You can pause it here while it does the install, and then we'll start back here in a few minutes. And I'll kind of get it set up when we come to the interface. Okay, we're back. You should see congratulations, you now FreeBSD installed on your system. Hit OK. Yes. FXP0. OK. Nope. And no to DHCP. Just follow the instructions. I used olefbase.org. Tab over to the next field. Automatically put org in there for you. My gateway is 192.168.1.2. Tab and give it a static in your range. I'm using 1.15. Tab all the way down and hit OK. Yes, we'd like to bring it up now. No. No. No to everything until we see set up a user. So here we choose yes to user setup. And then go ahead and choose user. Use Steve. Tab over to password. And then tab all the way down to OK. Go ahead and exit. Hit OK. Let's put our root password in. So this will be our root login, user's root, and this password. The one we created for was our